One of the great steps towards entrepreneurship could be dropshipping. One can sell products to customers, set product prices, and market your own brand. With dropshipping, one does not have to pay for inventory until the product is sold to an actual customer. This video will try and guide you on how to earn money with dropshipping. We'll touch on what is a dropshipping business, and how to find ideas for dropshipping. What is a dropshipping business? A dropshipping framework is around. Run your store, without holding your own inventory. When you make the sale, your supplier will ship the product to your customer, directly to their doorstep. You, the business owner, don't have to worry about inventory, packaging, and shipping of the products. 3 key players of a dropshipping business. The 3 key players in the dropshipping business model are: 1. Manufacturer or supplier. A manufacturer's role in dropshipping business involves manufacturing, holding inventory, and shipping products to customers on behalf of a retailer. They sell the manufactured goods to the retailer at wholesale price. 2. Retailer. The retailer has to take care of the marketing and sales part. The store owner sells the manufactured goods on the website in your own brand. The retailer is also responsible for shipping costs and fixing up the pricing of the product that will make a profit. 3. Customer. The customer buys the product from the retailer. And if there needs support or assistance for the customer, it is provided by the retailer. Low-risk business model. When it comes to setting up a startup, one has to invest a lot of money to just build a foundation. However, the dropshipping business brings in a low-risk business model. That makes dropshipping suitable for any age group who wants to become a business owner. There's no burden of manufacturing, maintenance cost, and other costs such as packaging and shipping. Dropshipping business requires daily work for processing orders. However, much of the order processing steps are automated. How much can you make from dropshipping? Let us assume you create a good dropshipping brand. Choose the perfect niche you like. Dropshipping can be one of the most profitable business models of all. There are some dropshippers who earn in the north of $100,000. So it depends on how many sales you make and what are the defined profit margins for the products you sell in the store. How to find dropshipping business ideas. To be a successful full dropshipper, the truth is, what you sell matters a lot. We suggest you should take some time and research, and do a lot of it. As they say, the sharper the blade, the easier it is to cut, and the same goes with dropshipping business. The ground reality is, the best dropshipping business ideas are usually the profitable ones, and it gets a lot easier if you are also passionate about it. Coming back to the research part, you have to look into where the demand is. If your product doesn't have a demand, simply it won't sell, and you'll have a hard time making money. You can use tools like Facebook Insights, Google Trends, Google Keyword Planner to analyze and choose the perfect niche for yourself. Competitor analysis. Once you're done with researching the niche of products, it's time to analyze who are the main players in the niche, what they sell, and the market and sell their products. There are many tools you can use to do the analysis. SEMrush, Ahrefs, SimilarWeb and BuzzSumo, and some popular competitor analysis tools. Find a supplier. Finding the right supplier is another important step, as you want the products you sell to be of high quality as per the price. The ordering process should be streamlined, packaging and shipping should be quick, and the last point, the price of the product should be reasonable, which makes sure you can earn profits out of it. You can use OBERLO for dropshipping supplier. Building a dropshipping store. There are many sub-points to this, let us break it down real quick. Domain name. It matters, especially if you're creating a long-term brand. Sign up for Shopify. Shopify is one of the best e-commerce platforms on the market. With the latest features, resources, tools, and apps added regularly on the platform. Shopify themes. Choose a theme for your website which will suit the kind of product you want to sell. A vintage website won't go well if you want to sell the latest trending apparel. Thus spend some time choosing from the range of available free themes on Shopify and make sure your website creates its own different look and your brand stands out. Marketing your dropshipping store. This is the most crucial step for your dropshipping business. This step will make sure if your dropshipping business ship will float or sink. You'll have to go all out with digital marketing channels. You can choose from a range of digital marketing tactics: social media marketing, email marketing, pay-per-click marketing, search engine, optimization, influencer marketing, content marketing. Optimize. If you've made it this far in the video, we guess you've already done the hard work mentioned before. Now it's time to analyze and see what works and what doesn't and optimize your website content, marketing campaigns, product pricing, etc., and see what works well for your brand and the audience you target. And there you have it. We hope this guide has explained to you how to earn money from dropshipping. If you are thinking of taking your dropshipping business to an international level, well then the language barrier becomes a major problem. Yes, you can change the content of your website into the target language, but what about the text in the images? In today's day and age, images are the way your brand is going to communicate with the customer. Creating the same images in different languages and then posting them on different channels needs a lot of effort. ImageTranslate can help you with this. With ImageTranslate, you translate the text in the image and recreate the same image into a different language in just under 30 seconds, saving you a lot of time. Unlike any other camera translate app, where it translates the text but doesn't let you save the image, ImageTranslate lets you save and use the image. ImageTranslate Online Translator is highly accurate with the translations, and the advanced in painting technology will make sure the look of the image is not changed at all. Visit imagetranslate.com.